My people, I'm back again with another exciting strategy that will help you to win in the forex markets. So, for those of you looking for best volatility 75 or VIX 75 strategy to win in the forex markets, here is another exciting strategy that I've put up. So without wasting my time, let's get in. As you can see, I'm using MetaTrader 5. I have MetaTrader 4 too, but I'm using 5 for now. So, as you can see, this is how it look like. 1 minute chart, you see. This strategy works for all the time frame, either 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes, or even 1 hour or 4 hours. It will work for you perfectly. So you see, so this is how you set your strategy. You see, your indicators. So you go to F. So this strategy have only two indicators: the stochastic oscillator and the moving average. So this is how you set your stochastic oscillator. So you see, the K period is 60, D period is 1, slow period is 1. You see, apply to close, method exponential. You see the color 2 pixel. You pick any color of your choice. Then you leave the levels like this: 10 and 50. As you can see, 10 and 50. Then you click on what? Done. Then you come to set your moving average. The period is 10. You see, method exponential. You see, apply to close. Then the color 2 pixel. No level is needed. Then you click on what? Done. So after setting it, this is how it will look like. You see, this is how it will look like. So you reduce, what you have to do is reduce your screen to the minimum level. You see, to the minimum level, as you can see. You see, so as you can see here, when the stochastic and the moving average cross at 10, then you enter what? Your buy. You enter what? Buy. You go to buy. You see? Then when it reaches 50 or above somewhere 80 here, 80 to 90, you are supposed to be out of the market. You see, you enter your sell here. Wait until the moving average and the stochastic crosses. You see, before you enter the market. So this is how it work. You see, let's go again. You see, it crosses at 90. You see here, as you can see here, it's below 90, but it crosses. You see, there you enter your sell. There's somewhere here when it reaches 50 or somewhere here, you are supposed to be out of the market. Somewhere here like 20 like this, you are supposed to be out of the market. See how it works? You see, it comes all the time. You see, somewhere here, you are supposed to enter the market with what? Sell. Then you sell somewhere here. You take your what? Your profits. You are out of the market. So let's check another time frame. As you can see here. This is 5 minute time, 5 minute chart, sorry. So somewhere here, you enter the market. When it reaches like this, 90, you are supposed to be out of the market. You buy here, you buy here, it reaches here, you are out of the market. This is how it works. Let's go again. You see? Because here, you see, it crosses at what? 90. You see? Then you enter your what? Sell. Somewhere here, 50 or less than 50, you are out of the market. You see how it works? See how it works? It comes all the time and it works perfect. You see? You see? It does not change. You see how it works? See this one. Here, you enter your what? Sell. When it crosses like this, you enter what? Your sell. Then, somewhere here 50 or less than 50, somewhere here, or 10, exactly 10, you are supposed to be out of the market. You see how it works? You see? So, this is how it will look like. You see? You see? So, somewhere here, you enter the market. Sorry. As you can see, by somewhere here, take your word. You see? You see how it looks? By somewhere here, you are out of the market already. You see how it works? So let's check another time frame. You see? You see? It works for all the time frame. You see? When it crosses, then you enter the market. You see? This is I call this strategy commando, because this strategy is the best strategy ever. It's almost accurate, 99.9%. You see, look at here. You enter the market. You see, by somewhere here, you are out of the market. You see, by somewhere here, you are out. Here you enter by somewhere here. You see, by somewhere here, you take your exactly amount, you are out. But for those of you who has less than $100 or $200 or $300 in your account, please, when you enter like this here, when it reaches 50, exactly 50, you are supposed to be out of the market. But those who have more than $100 or $100 in their account, they can continue to be in the market before it reaches 10. You see how it works? Please, I will say it again. For those of you who have what? Less than $100 in your account, when you enter like this here, by exactly 50, you are supposed to be out. But those who have more than, for those of you who have more than $100 in their accounts, they can continue to be in the market until it reaches what? 10. You see, this strategy works perfectly. See, you see, it does not change. You see how it works. You see how it works. You see, that is how, when it crosses, you see, when it crosses like this, then you enter the market. Believe me, you make profit if you follow this strategy carefully and do exactly what I have shown you so far. So I will see you in my next video. Please try and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, more educated videos like this, and I'm ready to share all my strategy. Very soon I will be sharing my big strategy which keep me moving in the forex market for you. Okay, see you.